What is the perfect name for YouTube channel? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a couple of tips. What name should you choose for YouTube channel? Hit the intro, please. How's it going, guys? Stefan here. Welcome back for another video. In this channel, you can find a lot of tech reviews, also tips as well. So let's start with the video. So what is the perfect name for your YouTube channel? In this video, I'm gonna give you a couple of tips. What name should you choose? Let's start with the first tip. Start with your name. This is very important. So as you can see, my YouTube channel is just my name, simple, easy. Obviously, I want to promote my name, so you can start with your name. Think as your name, it's a brand, so you're gonna promote this brand for the future. So start with your name. More successful YouTubers, they just start YouTube channel, their careers with a name. So it's very simple, very easy. Start with your name. This is very good tip, and it's not wrong. This is very good tip. So start with your name. The second tip is so let's say you want to come with something short, something not very short, but depends of the name. Let's say you don't want to start with your name, you want to start with something different. Let's say if you have a tech channel, let's say you want to name your channel, let's say Tech with Joe, or Tech with Stefan, for example, or Tech with Smith. Why not? But before you do that, do some research in internet. Do some research if these names is already exists. So let's say you want to start something short, something relevant to your videos. So let's say you have a cooking channel, you have a tech channel, but you want to start with something short, small, relevant to your videos. But before you do that, do some research, because you don't want to start with something short, something that is relevant to your video but already exists. So this is a very good tip to start with something that already doesn't exist. So the first tip is start with your name. The second tip is do some research first, and then start with something that is relevant to your video, which is very important, very easy. And the other tip is choose your name easy to understand. Something that is easy to spell, something that is easy to say, because you don't want to start your YouTube channel with your name. It's very difficult, with very hard to pronounce, very hard to spell, because you want to promote this channel. You want to say, let's say you want to say Tech with Joe or Tech with Stefan. So it's simple, easy, you can spell it, and this is easy to understand for the other side, people to understand your name, your channel. You don't want to start with something very, very long, which obviously doesn't make sense and it's hard to pronounce. So this is a very good tip. Start with something it's easy to say, to spell, which is very, very interesting, to be honest. As you can see, my name is Stefan, so Stefan, so I can spell it easy. I think about this. So if you start with something very long, it's hard people to follow you. And also, tip number 4 is let's say social media is very important. So if you start your channel, make sure your channel name it's the same as, let's say, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and so on, which is very important because you don't want to have 3 different names for all the social media. You want to have the same name for all the social media, because it's easy people to follow you, easy people to, let's say you have a tech channel or cooking channel, but it's not the same on the social media. So you have 3 different brands, which is it's confusing people to follow you, to know you, to check your videos. So make sure your brand is the same as the social media, which is easy to understand. So this is a very good tip. So this is the tips for today. I hope this video clears up everything. My name is Stefan. double check some videos, maybe interesting to see. Don't forget to subscribe if this video is helpful. And yeah, I'm super happy to share these tips for you. I hope you understand. Leave something in the comments down below to see what name is your YouTube channel, which is pretty good. So this is Stefan. I'm going to see you in my next video.